Hi, Cece here. I just wanted to share something I was doing real quick. So my meta bestie, Ira X Lab, asked me for some images of my avatar. And so I decided to hop into her green screen studio here in Spatial and record some images, take some pictures. So this is my super cool avatar. I have had her for a really long time. As you can tell, she looks just like me. Hey girl, how's it going? Sorry, I'm a nerd. But anyways, back to what I was doing. So this is a green screen studio, and it's a world pretty simple with a skybox that is the perfect green color. So thanks to Ira's super cool dance button. So without this button, you could only do presets for, movements. So for instance, you can wave hello, you could do some cute little emojis with the stars, and other emojis too. That's just my favorite. This is a standard dance move that you can find in this particular world or platform. Some sweet, basic moves, nothing too exciting. Oh, this is my favorite because I could never do this IRL, right? So, in addition to those basic moves, Ira's dance button, you can do a lot of cool things. So, she took a lot of time doing long form dances. So, for instance, oh yeah, sweet moves. I wish I could. I'm going to put some music in the background, I think, so you can get down with me. And then she has some other sweet moves. Hold on. Let's see. Um, there's different. Oh, yeah, this is really good. I like this one. So I'll move around. So these are just presets, and she programs these. She's a badass babe. She's one of my meta besties. So, anyways, I was taking some screenshots, some of these cool dance moves, and then I moved them over into Canva and I remove the background and I upscale the image, make them nice and crispy. So I just sent her a folder of just some images, and I'll go ahead and throw some screenshots in of those final images. And she's going to use them for something. I think she's going to put them on some merch or something. So if you want meta merch, let me know. We'll get you a T-shirt with this girl on it. She thinks she can dance. I don't know who she is. She's me. Until next time, my friends. I'll see you in the metaverse. Bye. Thanks for exploring the metaverse with me today, loves. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below.